Why do farmers tile their land, and what are the benefits to the environment? Farmer Tim Ostrom uses field tile to improve drainage and decrease runoff in his fields.
When you have runoff at an extreme pace, it picks up a lot of the material, the ground, the topsoil, and some of the nutrients that are there.
Gordon Anderson installs field tile and says less runoff means less soil erosion.
It creates a sponge pretty much, and then when we do get those bigger rain events, it's able to penetrate in rather than run off.
Tile also filters crop nutrients and fertilizer, which protects groundwater.
Drinking water standards are 10 parts per million, I think, and most of the time the ones we've tested have been below that.
And this makes farmers more environmental and productive.
Because we don't have that standing water on just a little quarter of an acre or something that just creates a nuisance. It allows for us farmers to be more efficient.
This Heartland Consumer Report is sponsored by South Dakota soybean farmers and their soybean checkoff.